Introducing the first COVID-19 rapid antigen test made for kids. A safe, painless and effective COVID test for the whole family. The AQ Lollipop is a 2-in-1 oral or nasal swab and is clinically proven to be highly sensitive and accurate for both sampling methods. Suitable for ages 1 and up, the AQ Lollipop delivers accurate results with 3 easy steps in just 15 minutes. Before you get started, wash your hands and take the contents out of the box. The AQ Lollipop gives you the flexibility to collect the sample in 2 different ways. To use our 2-in-1 swab orally, remember not to eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum 30 minutes before testing. Gently swab the upper palate and the inside of both cheeks 4 times each, for a total of 15 seconds, to collect enough saliva sample. It works equally well with a nasal sample. When collecting a nasal sample, please do not use nasal spray 30 minutes before testing. Go around each nostril 5 times to collect the nasal specimen. Once you've collected your oral or nasal sample, remove the foil from the sample tube and immerse the swab in the solution. Stir the swab 10 times and pinch the sides of the tube 5 times to make sure the sample gets mixed into the buffer solution. Close the tube and apply 3 drops into the sample well of the cassette. Review the results in 15 minutes. Do not read the results after 20 minutes, as they are no longer valid. The AQ Lollipop features 2-in-1 oral or nasal swab that is safe, painless and accurate COVID test for children and the whole family.